Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable, disable, camera, preserve, portrait zoom mode on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Camera. So tap on Camera, and then go in and tap on Preserve Settings. In the Preserve Settings menu, go down and tap on Portrait Zoom. So tap on this switch to turn on Portrait Zoom Preserve Settings. Switch it off. And the function of this features is to preserve the portrait mode zoom rather than automatically reset to the default lens. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings menu, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.